Hi, Jennifer here from Mind Body Movement, and I am here to share a Valentine's Day healthy treat, which is a chocolate covered cherry smoothie, which is a favorite in my house this time of year and really all times of year, but especially appropriate for this week with Valentine's Day coming up. So I thought I'd share it with all of you as well. I will also include with this post a free printable a Valentine's Day recipe card with this on there as well. So so you can have that as well. Sometimes I like to either include a recipe or make something and then give it as a gift with maybe a container to put it in. So in this case, maybe a mug or a travel mug along with the recipe, or you can just make it and share it with someone as well. So I hope you enjoy it as much as we do at our house. It's really simple. We have just 2 cups of coconut water, and you could do regular water as well. It just won't be quite as sweet. I have a 1/2 cup of just plain yogurt, 1 medium banana, about a 1/2 cup of baby spinach, which I sort of eyeball that, but this is about a 1/2 cup. And then I have a 1/2 cup of frozen cherries, which I just keep in the freezer on hand all the time. I have 1 tablespoon of raw cacao nibs. And then I also have a tablespoon just of unsweetened cocoa powder. So just make sure it's not the sweetened kind. That'd be too sweet. And that's really all that goes into it. So I'm just gonna blend it up in my blender and that's it. So I'm just gonna take the water and put it in first. And this is actually the order I like to put it in. I think it blends the best this way. And then I just put the yogurt in. And the banana. I just do a medium banana. Sometimes they're too big. If that's the case, I just break them in half and I put the other half in the freezer for another day. But this one seems good. And then the spinach goes in. It seems like a lot of spinach if you're not used to making smoothies with vegetables or greens, but I promise you it blends right up. You won't even know what's in there. And then my kids love it. And then the cacao nibs and the cocoa powder and cherries. I add, because I have frozen cherries and we're doing this for breakfast, I don't like it to be too cold. And then maybe I'll make another post on that. It's not great for digestion in the morning. So I have just a tiny bit of water from my tea kettle that I just add in just to warm it up a little bit. Trying to break anything while I'm making this. And then from here I just put this on and blends it up it doesn't take that long. It depends on your blender. I have a Vitamix that blends it up really fast. So I just blend it up really fast. And that's it. So it just takes a few seconds until it's blended, until everything looks like it's blended clear. And then it's ready to go. So there you have it. This is the chocolate covered cherry smoothie for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. I hope you have a wonderful week full of love. Thank you so much.